Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm creating a Charlotte Tilbury inspired makeup. I just kind of used her technique for the eyes and the face. I kept that in mind, and overall it's a really pretty look in my opinion. I'm not really used to myself with this dark of eye makeup, so I will look very different in the next few clips. But yeah, my hair, I don't feel like doing it, so I just kind of have it in the world's saddest ponytail, and I probably look really bad, but yeah. So I'm just applying this Dr. Jart BB cream now. The color, not very good at all, but I still use it. Like, actually it's nothing like my skin tone, but if you just blend it down the neck like this. Filming YouTube videos really makes you realize how bad your skin actually looks. When applying my base, I'm really trying to buff it in, because when you do this, you're almost blurring the pores, if that makes sense. And this doesn't work this technique doesn't work well with matte finish products, but if you're using a more dewy finish, this really helps you blur the pore areas. So that's just a little trick. Now I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just applying a little bit under the eye. This is the first concealer that I'm going to be using. I'm taking this concealer because it's closer to my skin tone and spot concealing. Okay, so now I'm just taking a dot of this Tarte Shape Tape and applying it kind of down here. It's a very light color. A little bit on the tip of my nose, chin. I feel like this just brings a lot of light to my face. I'm apologizing for the fact that the lighting's constantly changing. But I'm gonna cream bronze a little bit, and I'm just taking my Clinique Chubby Stick. It's in like the shade like orangutan or something like that. And then on a brush, oh my god, people are texting me. I'm putting my phone on silent. I'm just applying it here. Do you see how pretty that looks? It just it like adds life back to my face now. It balances out the grayness of the BB cream. I love bronzing my nose. I know some people hate how it looks, but personally, it is so cute to me. So now I'm just making sure it's all blending in perfectly with that BB cream. See, just natural. Now I'm all bronzed, and I am going to add highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm using the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes. How I find where to highlight is like literally look at my face and I see where the light hits it when I go like this, and that's where I do it. Some people highlight more this part of their cheek, but I don't think that looks good. I don't know. So I've done my highlighter. Look at me. And I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm actually using a sponge And I'm tapping out the crease under my eye that is formed and setting it. I have not done this technique in such a long time. I'm gonna bring the powder down to right here. Do you see how it kind of brightens? So once again, just gonna go ahead and set this area. Okay, I'm taking the Cover FX loose powder now. Ah! I just poured way too much out. And setting with this brush just to make sure we got everything covered and set and beautiful and yummy. I'm gonna set my eyes. Not set them, prime them with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Two products, Charlotte Tilbury Dolce Vita and the Narcissus palette. I'm not really sure what I want to do. I'm just gonna kind of base it off how the Dolce Vita look is. I don't really have that many clean brushes, so what I'm gonna do is take the prime shade here. If you don't know how Charlotte Tilbury works, she is one of my biggest inspirations with makeup, and her philosophy with her eyeshadows are kind of like shimmer, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do. So priming, as they might say. Like so many people today ask me how to do prom makeup because a school near us is having their prom and some of my friends are going to it, and I'm just like, oh, I love being appreciated. I've really changed how I do my makeup. I no longer really do that like Instagram, like matte in the crease kind of look. Cut crease. No, it's just not really me, I've realized. I'm much more editorial with how I like to do my looks. And that's a-okay. Like this. Now I'm gonna take the enhanced shade, as she calls it, on a Wet n Wild brush. Wow. Actually, I don't really even like this brush, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try this again. So I'm taking that and starting to nestle that into the socket. As you can see, I'm taking this shade and I'm just buffing it underneath. And this is gorgeous, like honestly. I don't get how people like the Instagram makeup. Like when you see this kind of like editorial-esque makeup, it really changes you as a person, you know? And I now take this Prime Enhance, the Define shade, and smudge it up on my upper lashes. And I just realized these eyeshadows have zero fallout. I've had them for a very long time and I've never noticed that. To balance this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this into right here. I'm last gonna take this pop shade in the palette and just pop it on. This is kind of the iconic Charlotte thing to do. I have the new Charlotte palette coming on Wednesday, and it is Saturday when I film this. Who knows when this video will be up, because I got auditions this week. So, you know, editing's not at the top of my list currently. I'm actually going into a different palette and taking from the NARS Wanted palette this shade right here. It's a really pretty reflective, just nice pinky shimmer, and I'm putting that on the inner corner. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Omrizi highlighter on the brow bone. I like never look into the camera. That's what I've just accepted. I'm a bad YouTuber. But I'm taking this, just pop in a little here. I'm gonna apply mascara off camera because I hate putting it on camera, but I'm gonna be using the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door mascara. Alright, so if you can't tell, I got mascara on. Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door, so good. And I'm just applying a little bit of the butter bronzer because I want more bronzer. I don't know. And I love the tone of this one. So now I'm taking a little bit of Tarte blush, just a little pop, 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 pop. And now I'm taking a Steal a Kitten and adding that to the inner corner because I feel like it's still not bright enough. Oh yeah, that worked. Here's it in like dark lighting if you want to see the multiple effects it gives. These are the eyes. Alright guys, so I applied the Bite Beauty lipstick. It's in the shade Honeycomb. It's kind of my favorite lipstick ever. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye!